Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where this green line here is coming from, and I talked about that in Thursday's video as being an important area of support. And to give full credit where credit's due, like I said, that was an area that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed do a great job of acting as support on several occasions today. Looks like about 5 different times the price got down around that area. The bears tried to press down below, but like I said, to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls held strong. So that was good to see, but that also, just remains the fact that going into next week, $17.70 still remains that, key level of support that you would want to see, continue to hold strong. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the very interesting dynamic that happened during the final 30 minutes here is that the price is breaking up above that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part, but I assure you, a lot of people are going to be watching and wondering the same thing. Is this the start of something bigger? Is this a true breakout, or is this going to be one of these false breakouts? We'll just have to sit back and see how next week plays out. But there is a breakout that's now underway. You got volume that picked up pace a little bit. So if this is the start of a bigger breakout, then the next key level of resistance to keep a close eye on going into next week is going to be right up here at the 1840 mark, give or take a few cents. That is the current value of the pink line, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average. So definitely that could be coming into play next week. In the event the price gets up through there, I want to map out one more areas of resistance. So if the price can push up through that pink line, the next key level to watch would be 1875 going into next week. So near term, well, first really let's just make sure the price can hold above that level. If that can occur, then yeah, got to break above the 200 period, and then after that, right up there at 1875. And then of course 1770, definitely a very important level of support. But nice way to close out the week. We'll see how this one plays out next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.